So today we're up on my balcony. I just swept up after the birds. They have this new fancy bird seed that's supposed to be less mess, but well, here I'll show you. It's called Cool Birds Wild Bird Seed Nut and Fruit. Yes, Momo. Momo's sniffing, but I just swept all the bird seed up and filled this one. There's the hummingbird feeder, I gotta refill. There's the other one. And Momo's cat tree is in there so she can watch. But Momo, don't sniff the hummingbird feeder. What? I gotta bring it inside and wash it and refill it. Momo, that's not for you. No, honey. You ready to go in? You wanna go in? What do you think? Does she wanna go in? We gotta clean her paws off. All right, hold on. I have 2 brooms on my back balcony. Okay. Yes, dear. Do you want to go in? Momo? This is her new leash because I broke the other one that she came with that my daughter gave to her. Yes, Momo? Do you want to go in? That's birdseed, Momo. That's not for you. That's what feeds your entertainment. That's where those seeds are going to drop so they don't go everywhere. I positioned it right under the bird feeder. So art-wise, today I've been working on... Oh my goodness, Momo, you're not going to eat birdseed. Today I've been working on polychromos leaf combinations. I got less than 3 hours of sleep last night, so obviously that Momo, you don't like birdseed. That kind of took the edge off my productivity. Nevertheless, oh. Momo's at full attention. You hear that, Momo? This is the tree outside my window. I love it. The light, I can see it right from my desk. Look at this kitty. Did you hear a birdie, Momo?